Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert my Facebook profile into a page. So this is a very easy tutorial. What you're going to do here is just log in to your Facebook, go to your profile, and then tap this three dots on the right side. Click this one. Now here you have to scroll down and you have to look for the option turn on professional mode. So click this turn on professional mode right here, and it will take you directly to this where you need to set up your page. So turn on professional mode. You can see the information right here. You can check, you can read this one. Once okay, tap on the blue button to proceed. So click turn on, and then here, as you can see, welcome to professional mode. You can read the following. Just tap on next. You can let more people see your content. Just tap on next. Okay, here you can see the following. So you can just set this to public, choose your default audience, click this public right here, and then tap on next. Now here what you're going to do is you have to just read the following. You have to review selection here. Once done, tap on the confirm a button. And as you can see, your profile is now public and you can start earning by this subscription stars, but you need to be eligible and you need to meet the requirements in order for you to unlock these tools and features on professional mode. So once everything is okay, if you go back to your profile, you will see that you are not currently using the professional mode. So this one is like a page where you can start earning with the tools, especially if you have meet the requirements and your profile is now on public. Most of the features are same with the page. So basically, that's how easy it is to convert Facebook profile into a page. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.